Hi, I'm Kamil from QuWireless, and in today's video I want to show you our QSpot antenna dedicated to Teltonika RUT240. QSpot for RUT240 is omnidirectional device, meaning its beamwidth is 360 degrees wide. It consists of two 4 dBi LTE antennas and one 6 dBi Wi-Fi antenna, which allows you to fully utilize the power of the radio. Its biggest advantage is space for the router inside the housing of the antenna. It allows to reduce the length of the coaxial cable and number of antenna connectors used. Thanks to that, you get a better LTE strength and therefore faster data transfer. How to assemble it? First, we have to put the top lid on the side. Please note, there are 3 cables terminated with connectors. 2 of them are silver, 1 is gold. The gold one is for Wi-Fi, the silver ones are for mobile connection. The connectors have their place on the router. So let's plug the mobile connectors and Wi-Fi connector. You don't have to screw it very tightly at this point, because we can adjust it later. At this point, we have to plug the Ethernet cable into the LAN port to make sure the Teltonika device is PoE powered. After that, all that is left to do is put the router into the mounting bracket inside of the housing. Just put it down, pull one side off, and you are ready to go. At this point, you can adjust how tight you want the connectors to be. You can do it using the included wrench. Just tighten it up a bit. That is all that needs to be done. Like right now, let's close the enclosure and screw the 4 screws on top of it. They are included in the set. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, your antenna is ready to be used. All that is left to do is put it on the mast. And don't forget to take your QPSU PoE power supply. You can use any other, but we recommend using our QWireless blend. Let's go! Now let me show you how to put the antenna on the mast. First, we should install the mounting bracket on the antenna. For that, we're gonna need the 4 hex screws. Let's tighten it. And we are ready to put the antenna on the mast. Your antenna is ready to be used. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!